Exercise 10E1, uh, sine 430 equal 0. The interval is given 0, theta, 360. Now this is 430, 4, 4 theta. So I'll multiply by whole equation 4 to match. Then 0 times 4 is 0 times 4, 4 times theta, and 4 times 360. So this is 0, 430 and 1080. Now sine 430 and 4 theta equals 0 and this one. Now assume 430 is x. Then this is become sine x equals 0 and 0, 430 is x, 1080. Now x equals sine inverse 0. So sine inverse 0 is 0. Now I think I made a mistake. 360 times 4 is not 1080. That is 1400, 1440. 1440. Now we know that we can't x equals 0. It is on the axis. Then the other one, uh, starting from 0. The other one is 360. Then one more round, uh, 720. And actually sine graph goes with 0, 90, 0, 9, 90, 180, then 360, then 540. So you can add 180 plus 180, 360. So start with 0, then start with 0, then 180, then 360, and 540, and 720, and one more round 900, another one more round 1080, another 180, 260, 1260, and other one 1440. Basically you don't need this one, you have to add 180 to everything. 0 plus 180, 180, 364. Likewise. Now this x is introduced by ourselves. There is no x in this sum, only theta. So then I will bring here 4 theta equal 0, 180, 360, 540, 720, 900, 1080, 1260, 1440. Now I will divide everything by 4 to get answer. So theta equals 0, 180 divided by 4, that is 45, 360 divided by 490, 135, 225, 270, 315, and 360. I think 135. This is 180, 180, 225, 270, 315, and 360. Next one is cos 3 theta equal minus 1. So this is angle. Now I want to write in terms of 3 theta, this interval. So 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times theta is 3 theta, 3 times 360, 1080. So I will now make the I match with the uh, angle size. Now assume 3 theta equal x. Then cos x equal minus 1 and 0 x 1080. Now that's it. Now that is a normal sum. You did the adjustment. X equal cos inverse minus 1, which is 180. And then next one you will get 180, 540 and 900 x. But x is something we introduce. There is no such answer in x, some variable in x in the question. So we'll replace back 3 theta equal 180, 540, 900. So I'll divide equal by 3 to get the theta answers. This is going to be 60, 180 and 300. See, tan 2 theta equal 1. So this is 2 theta. So then I have to make this intervals 2 times 0, 0, 2 times theta, 2 theta, 2 times 360, 120. Now assume 2 theta equal x. Then tan x equal 1, 0 greater than x greater than 720. So x equal tan inverse 1. So this is going to be 45. Then 45 plus 180, 225 and plus 180, 405 and 185, 85 and no more than that. If you add another 180, it is more than 720. Now replace back x mean what? 2 theta. 2 theta equal 45, 225, 405 and 585. Now we'll divide everything by 2. Theta equal 245 divided by 2 to 2.5, 112.5 and this is 202.5 and this is 500, 292.5. Next one, cos 2 theta is half and this is 2 theta, this is theta, range is given, multiply by 2, 0, 2 theta, 720. Now assume 230 equal x, then I write cos x equal half, 0 x 720, x equal cos inverse half, which is 60, 60 cos positive first quadrant and the fourth quadrant, then 60, then the next one 360 minus 60, 300, 300, then now we have major uh, uh, we wrote from here 60 and 300. Now next one 60 plus 360, 420, then 300 plus 360, 720. uh, 660. Then 420 plus 20, 360, which is more than 720. Uh, 420 plus 360, 780, we don't need because 770. And 660 plus 360, 1020 need. And let's stop now. So only 4 angles, 60, 300, 420, 60. Now this is for x. Now we'll submit back 2 theta equal 60, 300, 420, 660. Divide by 2. Theta equal 30, 150, 210 and 330. So this is tan half a theta equal minus 1 over square root 3. So I want to make half a theta. I divide all the equation by 2. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Theta divided by 0 is theta divided by 2, which is half a theta again. So 360 divided by 2 is going to be 180. Now assume half a theta equal x. Then tan x equal minus 1 over square root 3, 0 greater than x greater than 180. Half a theta means theta divided by 2, both same. X equal tan inverse 1 over square root 3. So x value is minus 30. Now tan is negative in second one and fourth one. So this is 30 and this is 30. I take the acute angle size. So minus 30 is not in this range. So what is the next one? Okay, we'll start from here positively. This one 150, 180 minus 30 means this angle is 150. X equal next one is 150 and the other one is 330. 360 minus 30, 330. This is out of range. This is also out of range. We have only one answer, that is 150. So x equal 150. Now we replace x mean what? Half a theta is 150. Then theta mean 2 times 150, which is 300. Now f. Now we can see that this is theta, this is minus theta. Then I have to multiply this equation by minus 1. So what will happen when I multiply by minus? According to the inequality, this inequality will change. So like this. So 0 times minus 0 and minus times theta minus theta, and this is minus times 360 minus 360. Now which one is smaller? Minus 360. You can rewrite this one. So you can rewrite this is minus 360 greater than or equal to minus 30 greater than or equal 0. Now let minus 30 assume minus 30 equal x. Then sine x equal 1 over square root 2 and range is minus 360 x 0. This is minus 1 times 0 minus 1 times theta minus 1 times 360. Now x equal sine inverse 1 over square root 2. So this is x equal 45. So x equal positive. Sine positive is first quadrant and the second quadrant. So x equal 45 one answer. The other answer is 135. Then 45. Okay. Both are not in the right direction. I mean not include here. So I'll write 45, 135, two answers. We can't go forward. It is positive still. We'll go backward now. 135 minus 360 minus 225. Then 45 minus 360 minus 315. Then 225 minus 225 minus 360. It is out of range. And 335, 315, it is also out of range. So only two answers there. This is not answer. Those two. So x equal minus 315 and yeah, okay, minus 315 and minus 225. Now replace what is x. X means minus 30 equal minus 315 and minus 225. Then we'll multiply by all by minus 1 because this is minus. I want positive. So theta equal 315 and 225. Now, when I look at this is question number 2a, tan 45 minus theta is minus 1. So this is 45 minus theta, this is theta. Now I am going to 45 minus theta. First of all, I want to make minus theta. Then I want to add 45. So that's the plan. So we'll multiply by minus 1. So then this is become minus 1 times 0, 0. And inequality minus 30 change the direction and minus 360. Now I am going to add 45 to everything. So 0 plus 45, 45 minus 30 and 45 minus 360. So this is 45, 45 minus 30 and 40 minus 360 minus 315. You can rewrite the other side as well. This is small. So minus 315, 45 minus 30, the same thing, 45. Now it follow the number line, minimum, maximum. And now let 45 minus 30 equal x. Then tan x equal minus 1. So this is minus 315, x equal 45. I'll take this as x. Now it's a normal sum. X equal tan inverse minus 1. So this is going to be minus 45. The minus 45 acute angle. Tan is negative on second and fourth. So this is 45. This is 45. Okay, we'll start. Actually, this is minus 315. So if I go positive, the first positive is 135. So it is my, okay, we'll go to other side. So first one is minus 45, that's fine. Then what is the second? Minus 1 is 180. This angle is 45, 225. So that is minus 225. And right. Then if I come up to here, so minus 360 minus 45. So this is going to be over. It's not working, and that's all. If you feel this is a bit confusing, so still you can do like this. So this is 45 and this is 45. First one is 135 and the second one is will stay positively 315. Now both are out. Now take 360 out now. 315 minus 360 and 135 minus 360. You will get those two answers. So this is 315 minus 360 minus 45 minus 225. And you can select those two and you can drop this one out of range. Tan inverse minus x is minus 45 and as we discussed minus 225. So I will write separate x equal minus 45 and x equal minus 225. But x is what? 45 minus theta equal minus 45. Again 45 minus theta equal minus 225. So then I want theta. So then 45 plus 45 I'll bring to here and minus theta to other side. Theta equal 90. So this is theta to other side, 225 to this side. So this is going to be 270. Part B, 2 sine theta minus 20 equal 1. Then sine theta minus 20 equal half. Then I need to make theta minus 20. I had to reduce minus 20 from this equation. So this is going to be minus 20. This is theta minus 20 and 360 minus 20, 340. Now theta minus 20, let assume as x. Assume theta minus 20 as x. Then sine x equal half. X equal sine inverse half. Also this is minus 20. This is now x and 340. So x equal sine inverse is 30. So sine positive in first quadrant and second quadrant. So there are two angles. One is 30. The other one is 150. And we can't go back. Okay. If we go take 360 out from here, it is less than minus 20. So we have to get rid of. We are not going backward. So 30, 150. Then you can add 30 plus 360. Okay, it is out again. 390. It is out of range. Other one also out of range. So the only two answers there. X equal 30. X equal 30 and x equal 150. Then theta minus 20. So this is theta minus 20 equal 30, 150. Then theta equal 30 plus 20, 150 plus 20, which is 50 and 170. So this is theta. I want to make theta plus 75, so I add 75. So this is going to be 75, theta plus 75, and this is going to be 5, 3, 435. Assume theta plus 75 is x, then tan x equal square root 3, and this is 75 x 435. All answers in positive range. X equal tan inverse square root 3, which is minus 60. Sorry, it is positive 60, and tan is positive on first and third. First and third, so this is 60, that's fine, but it is less than, that's fine still. We'll work out later. This is going to be 108 plus 60, 240. Now, this is not in the range, but 60 plus 360, 420. 420 is in the range, that's fine. 240 in the range, this is not in the range. So 240 plus 360 more than 500, not in the range. So only two answers there. X equal 240 and 420. But x equal theta plus 75 is 240 and 420. So theta equal 240 minus 75, 420 minus 75, which is 165 and 345. So this is theta minus 10. So I want to take 10 out from the inequality. So this is minus 10, theta minus 10, and this is going to be 350. So sine theta minus 10 equal minus square root. So assume x equal theta minus 10. So sine x equal minus square root 3 over 2, right? Minus 10, x equal 350. So x equal sine inverse minus square root 3 over 2. X is, this is going to be minus 60. So acute angle, sine is negative on third and fourth. 60, 60. So if I go backward, this is minus 60, it is out. So we don't need to worry about the left side. And this is going to be the first one. X equal 180 plus 60, 240. Then 360 minus 60, this angle 300. Then that's all. If I add, it's going more above the range. So then I'll replace x with theta minus 10 equal 240, 300. Then theta equal 240 plus 10 and 300 plus 10. So theta equal 250 and 310. On the book you can see that this is in the book it says instead of theta you can see x. I changed to theta, so we'll work with theta. So this is 70 minus 30. I want to make this one. First of all minus 70, then I have to add 7. So then I'll multiply by minus 1. 0 multiplied by minus 1. So then inequality will change. Minus 1 times theta. Then minus 1 times 180. 0 minus theta minus 180. Now I add 72. Or then 70 minus theta. So 70, this is minus 110. I will rewrite like this: minus 1 1 0, 70 minus theta is 70. Now assume 70 minus theta as x. So then cos x equals 0.6, and this is going to be x 70. Now x equal cos inverse 0.6, which is 53.1, and cos positive on first and fourth. The first one is 53. I can, if I go this way, 53.1. If I go this way, minus 53.1. Both right, because minus 53 also in the range 53 point. After that, if I go 360 up and down, it is going to be out of the range. So I will stay with this one. So x equal minus 53.1 and 53.1. We'll replace it now. 70 minus theta equal 53.1 and 53.1. Then this is plus 70. I will reduce everything. Minus 70 equal minus 53.1 minus 70, 53.1 minus 70, which is minus 16.9. This is minus 30. Then multiply everything by the minus. Then theta equal, this is become positive, and this is become positive. If you feel this is confusing, take x equal minus t 53.1. X means 70 minus 30 equal minus 53.1. So take this one to other side, theta 70. This is plus 53.1. This is make theta equal 123.1. And the other one, x equal 53.1. Then x means 70 minus theta equal 53.1. So take theta to other side. Then this is 70 minus 53.1, which is 16.9. So we can work like that.